Imagine having a power so quiet, so unshakable, that it unravels even the most manipulative narcissist without you saying a word. This isn't fiction. This is the art of silent confidence, mastered by icons like Denzel Washington. In roles from Training Day to The Equalizer, Denzel embodies a calm, unyielding authority that commands respect and disarms chaos. But what if you could use his real-life tactics to protect your peace and turn the tables on narcissists? Today, we're breaking down Denzel Washington's unspoken tactics, psychological strategies that leverage silence, poise, and unspoken boundaries to make narcissists panic. No drama, no fights, just the quiet power of a mind they can't control. First, master the Denzel stare. In every role, Denzel uses prolonged eye contact not to intimidate, but to project unflinching calm. Narcissists thrive on emotional reactions. Your stillness? That's their kryptonite. Science says, studies show holding eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds longer than usual signals dominance and self-assurance. Narcissists interpret this as, I see through you, and I'm not impressed. Practice the Denzel stare in a mirror. Relax your face, soften your gaze, and breathe deeply. Next time a narcissist baits you, stay silent, hold their gaze, and let their own insecurity fill the silence. Narcissists hate silence. It forces them to confront their greatest fear, being irrelevant. Denzel once said, without the pause, the performance has no power. Use this in real life. When a narcissist criticizes, accuses, or gaslights you, don't defend yourself. Pause. Let their words hang in the air like a bad script. Watch them scramble to justify their narrative. Count to 5 internally before responding to provocations. Smile faintly, Denzel style, and say, I'll think about that. Then walk away. The vaguer you are, the more they panic. Narcissists need you to need them for validation, for drama, for supply. Denzel's characters radiate a quiet truth. I'm here by choice, not necessity. In a 2017 interview, Denzel said, I never let another man's opinion define my worth. Adopt this mindset. When a narcissist realizes you don't crave their approval, their entire game collapses. Write down 3 non-negotiable values, e.g., honesty, peace, growth. Refer to them when doubt creeps in. Casually decline 1 request from the narcissist this week. Watch their confusion. Silent confidence isn't about being cold, it's about being selectively vulnerable. Denzel's most powerful scenes blend raw truth with restraint. Example: in Fences, he delivers brutal honesty without raising his voice. Narcissists fear exposure. Calmly state facts about their behavior. You lied about X on Tuesday, and watch them deflect or rage. Prepare a neutral, 1-sentence truth to use when provoked, e.g., I don't engage with dishonesty. Deliver it Denzel style. Steady tone, zero aggression. Then exit. Narcissists love control. Denzel's characters often redirect conversations to seize power. In Inside Man, he disarms a hostage taker by asking unexpected questions. How to copy this? When a narcissist monologues, interrupt with a detached, curious query. Why does this matter to you so much? Or, what's your goal here? Suddenly, they're explaining, not attacking. Script 3 open-ended questions to derail manipulative conversations. Practice saying them with mild amusement, like you're studying a flawed character. Notice how Denzel never slouches, fidgets, or shrinks. His posture broadcasts, I occupy space unapologetically. Narcissists read body language faster than words. Science says, standing with your weight evenly balanced and shoulders back lowers cortisol, stress hormone, and boosts testosterone, confidence hormone. Before confronting a narcissist, strike a power pose in private for 2 minutes. In their presence, sit/stand slightly sideways. It subconsciously signals you're ready to walk away. Denzel's characters never overstay their welcome. They leave when they decide. Narcissists panic when they realize you can vanish without a fuss. In The Equalizer, Denzel warns, progress, not vengeance. Your exit isn't about punishment, it's about peace. Gray rock method. Becomes so boring, minimal responses, no emotion, that the narcissist loses interest. If all else fails, channel Denzel's line from Man on Fire, I wish you had more time. Then block and rebuild. Silent confidence isn't about fighting narcissists. It's about transcending the fight. Denzel Washington's tactics teach us that true power isn't loud. It's the stillness of a man who knows his worth can't be negotiated. Start small. Master the stare. Embrace the pause. And remember, narcissists don't panic because you attack them. They panic because you finally realize you never needed them at all. If you're ready to reclaim your power, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Share this video with someone trapped in a narcissist maze. And as Denzel says, ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. Keep rising.